My journey with the conservation started with my childhood. My mom was a farmer. My dad was a farmer. All our life was in the forest. Farming, collecting forest product was a source of income. The forest was our home, and you can only love it. I'm Cécile Ndjebet. I'm a Cameroonian, agronomist by profession, specialized in social forestry. I started working in the Department of Forestry, and I was in charge of involving women into forestry activities in Africa in general. Women don't own land. They don't have ownership to anything. They don't inherit from their parents because they are women. Can you imagine women who produce not less than 70% of the food crop don't own land where they have to cultivate? When you own something, you decide on what you want to do with that. There is a straight linkage between security, tenure right for the women, sustainable development, improving conservation. There is a direct link. The first NGO I founded was Cameroon Ecology in 2001, promoting community rights to forest management. But we really wanted to have an umbrella organization. So that's how we founded the African Women's Network for Community Management of Forest in 2009. We are already in 20 countries in Africa, planting trees, doing agroforestry activities, millions of trees that women have been planted so far, helping them in restoration, helping them in biodiversity conservation, helping them in addressing climate change. Even in Cameroon, today at least in the forestry law and in the land tenure law, we have succeeded to integrate some gender issues, and women themselves are also gaining more exposure, more capacities to fight for their right wherever they are. We cannot succeed if we work in isolation. So our work is really to bring everybody on board, that by promoting women's rights, security tenure to women, we also promote conservation, we promote sustainable management of forests, we promote sustainable development in general. Let's empower women in restoration. Join Generation Restoration.